Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You've got the essentials, VS Code and Live Server installed. First, open your project folder with CMD plus so VS Code can manage files. Then create index, HTML and paste a minimal HTML5 skeleton, doc type, head, body. Save with CMD plus S. Once done, install Emmet support if missing, because it speeds up typing tags. Make sure extensions are enabled and the Explorer shows index. HTML. Now you're ready to write the first HTML elements and view them quickly. Now edit your page, type, and press Tab to expand the full template, then add sections like header and main. Open Live Server with the Go Live button to launch a local preview. The browser will auto-refresh when you save changes. Split the editor to compare HTML and CSS side by side, and format code with Shift plus Option plus F for consistent spacing. Use autocomplete suggestions and Emmet to speed repetitive tags. Once done, test links and images to confirm paths are correct. Finish by validating structure. Open Browser DevTools to inspect elements, check console for errors, and confirm CSS is applied. If something breaks, first verify file paths and relative links. macOS permissions can block saves, so ensure VS Code has disk access in system settings. If Live Server won't reflect updates, restart it or reload VS Code. As a key troubleshooting tip, disable one extension at a time to isolate conflicts, then re-enable the ones you trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.